5 months. 5 months. Yeah. Hello again and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Katrina and I make motherhood and lifestyle videos. Today we are doing Elise's 5-month update. As you can tell, she's gotten quite a bit bigger. So today we will start with food. She has started with some purees. We have done homemade quinoa cereal with a little bit of breast milk as well as some mushy peas, and so far she likes both. She's been taking the purees from the spoon pretty well without too much just open mouth and actually closing her mouth and eating it. Here you go. However, she does like to blow raspberries with the food in her mouth, which can get a little messy, right? Little messy. She's also very interested in our food as well still. Like, she just, whenever I'm eating or Nick's eating around her, she's now like reaching and trying to grab at our food. Sleep update. She did move into her crib for sleeping in at night. I will link the video below that I made of her changing from the bassinet to the crib. Her first night in the crib was actually on my birthday and she slept all through the night. It was great. She did so well. She has been sleeping in her crib now for a couple of weeks. With her sleep transition, I think she's still going through it and it's actually not gotten better. She still has issues with going to sleep during the day for her naps, as well as now she wakes up once after we put her to sleep around 7. Usually she wakes up between 8 p.m. to 2 a.m. and she needs an extra feed during that time. So I'm thinking it's actually because of a developmental leap or some sort of growth that's happening. She's just needing extra food. We are planning within the next month to try and teach her to self-soothe to sleep, which might be a little challenging, but definitely looking forward to it because we still do rock her to sleep. And now that we've moved her to the crib, we can start that transition weaning off of being rocked to sleep. Her sounds are continuing to evolve like day by day. It's actually crazy how every single day her sounds and voice change a little bit more. Sometimes even after waking up from a nap, they sound different and she's got new noises and sounds. She does still roll from her tummy to her back, but she just hasn't quite gotten the back to tummy yet. Oh, boy, 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 boy. She has been wanting to stand without being held, which obviously isn't working. She still can't balance on her own while she's standing, but she loves to stand and she also keeps trying to let go of her hands when we're holding her or just get out of our grasp. Like right now. She is bringing things to her mouth pretty consistently now by herself, which is great for when she is teething, which she is still doing a lot of. One thing that she has taken a great interest in is the keyboard, the computer keyboard. She loves to play with all the buttons on the computer keyboard. Because of our setup, we have a Bluetooth small keyboard that kind of floats around the couch, so she does see it from time to time when we're trying to operate the computer that's attached to the TV in the living room. A couple challenges this month for sure have been that she really needs me a lot. She doesn't like to be put down very often. She does love to be held. When Nick is home, I still have to be in the room most of the time for her to be okay. Otherwise, for whatever reason, she freaks out. Do you want this one? She still is teething quite a bit. She has her two bottom teeth that last time you could feel a little bit of them, and they have popped through a little bit more. They are a tiny bit above the gum now, which is sad because she actually has been teething a lot. I am happy, but also she's been teething a lot, so it's, yeah. I do not know her weight as of this month, but last month she was 14 pounds and she has definitely gained since then. Woo! Her eyes are still blue. Woo! Yeah, your eyes are still blue. And her hair is getting longer and longer. Like, it's so... I wonder if you can see in the camera. Look at her hair. Okay, that is it for her 5-month update. I hope you liked it and enjoyed learning about her new little things, as well as some of the changes we've been facing this previous month. Alright, ready to say goodbye? Say what? Say bye! Alright guys, thank you for watching, and if you like this video and if you've liked the video that I've linked below and maybe some other videos that you've seen, please leave a like, a comment, and maybe even subscribe. Really appreciate that. Thank you so much, and we will see you in the next video. Bye! Oh my goodness. Oh, you rolled over. You rolled over.
You try with your tongue? Yeah, you can taste it. Click the stick. Yum. Open it. No, that's your tongue. You want some? Open.
No. Not bubbles. Yum, 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 yum.
Oh. Nope.
Oh my gosh. She's oh, well. Wow, wow, wow. You can't stand all by yourself, just a baby. What you doing? Hi. Ow! Silly. Hey, let go. It's Mom's hair. She got a good hold on my hair right now. Can I has it back?